As some of you know, the Republic of Gamers, or ROG, is exactly 20 years old this year. And to celebrate their birthday, we actually packed up and went to a small city of Urk, here in the Netherlands, where some of the very first ROG products reside, along with some other very interesting and very unique things that you might not find anywhere else in the world. So let's see how that went. Now, when I say that we had to travel all the way to the other side of the country, to the mystical village of Urk, it might sound like a lot, but you have to remember that the Netherlands is actually very, very tiny, and it took us just a bit more than an hour to get there. But the reason we went there was to meet our friend Peter Brands, because he has one of the most unique collections of hardware that you can find.
I'm Peter Brands, electrician by day, case modder by night. I've been case modding for over 20 years, and this is my Modcave.
Now, Peter is also known as Lep, and he's an old school PC modder. He became famous with his amazing desk PC builds back in the day, which then turned into a bit of a meme that a lot of you might have seen before. He actually still has the original Lep desk in his living room, connected to a giant radiator under his house to keep it cool. And beside the desk and the towel build that he still uses in his mod cave, he obviously didn't keep all the mods he made over the years for us to see. But he was kind enough to take us in for a day, show us around his mod cave, and dust off some of his prized possessions. Peter transformed his attic into a proper shrine of tech that he collected over the last couple of decades. There are motherboards and graphics cards and water blocks everywhere, with all the tools you might need to build and mod a PC, plus a couple of modding trophies just modestly sitting in between. Now, it was really hard for us to choose which products we need to put in the spotlight, so we asked Peter to show us some of his favorites.
This is the Maximus Formula Special Edition. I bought it in 2008. And 2 years later I sold it to upgrade my PC. 1 year ago I bought it back for a few beers, and it's still running. And this is the first liquid cooled ROG board from ASUS. I also have the ROG Commando board in my collection from 2006, the very first ROG product they ever made. My personal favorite product has to be the Mars series. This is the Mars 1, it's a limited edition. Number 54 from 1000, and it's a dual GTX 285. This is the Mars 2, and only 999 were made of these, and it's a dual GTX 580. And for a case mod I created a water block for it in the same style. And this is my most iconic piece. It's a Mars 4, and it's an engineering sample. It doesn't even have a cooler. It's a dual GTX 780, and it was never brought to the market. It was only shown on Computex. I believe only 3 of these exist. This is the first ASUS Matrix card. It's the 9800 GT, 512 MB, and I actually have 3 of these, and 2 are working in SLI and a PC.
And with these few things, we were only scratching the surface of what Peter has in his mod cave. If you dig a bit deeper, you can find so much more. From ancient GPUs still boxed and in mint condition, to plastic boxes full of random cards collected over the years, many of which are forgotten relics by now. It was just so incredible to experience and dig through the vast history of tech that is hidden in this attic, and just think about how far we have come in the last couple of decades. And after a long day of looking at motherboards and GPUs, it was time to go home. I do want to say thank you to ASUS for sponsoring this video and sending us out on an adventure. I really think it was fun to do this, and I really wish we could do this more often. Now, I was also supposed to mention that ROG was giving away a bunch of prizes for their birthday, but unfortunately, because of personal reasons, I was a bit late with putting this video together, and that particular giveaway expired. But don't worry, I gotcha. So ROG was very good to us for years and left some of their goodies behind, so I've gathered some of the things that we have spare and put together a giveaway of our own. All the details are going to be in the description of this video, so if you want to get a chance to win some of this stuff there, you can just go ahead and sign up. Now, that is all I have for today, so I wish you all good luck, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!